everyone. Welcome back to our channel CS and IT Tutorials by Vrishali. In our last lecture, we have discussed about intelligent agent, their types with environments. I have mentioned a complete AI playlist link in below description box. Now, in today's session, we will discuss the next most important topic, that is rationality and rational agent. Let's start the session. So previously we have discussed already all the subjects in detail with simple talk, solve examples, practical demo and important question bank. I have attached playlist link in below description box. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. That will be beneficial for everyone. Now, in today's session, we will discuss all this topic like what exactly rationality, rational agent, there are multiple examples, then good behavior of rational agent, factors affecting on rational agent, some applications, and at the end, important question bank. So let's see all these points one by one. Now, the first question is what exactly rationality and rational agent? See, first, we will discuss about rational agent. So rational agent is one kind of agent who analyze all the past information. According to that, they apply current knowledge and also predict the future. So this is the work of rational agent. For example, any AI integrated application like Netflix recommendation system. So here, recommendation rational agent, they analyze users' watch history and according to that, they recommend it. They predict a particular movies to the user, right? So this is the work of rational agent and this process is called as rationality. As per the definition, rationality means the ability of intelligent agent to select the maximum expected performance based on current knowledge and available information. So this is called as rationality. Now let's discuss this thing in detail with examples. See, the first example, we all are familiar with GPS navigation system, right? So here, suppose our goal is to reach the destination. So suppose GPS finds total 3 routes. Like route A, that is 20 km, required 60 minutes. Route B, 22 km distance, time required 30 minutes. And route C, 18 km, but currently it was closed. So here, rational agent select the best possible path to the user. Here, rational GPS choose route B because they required 30 minutes, that is minimum amount of time to reach the destination. So this is called as rational agent. They find out best solution according to the experience towards the user. So this process is called as rationality. Now the another example is self-driving car. Now suppose take the situation, the traffic signal turns red. So at that time, rational agent perform the rational action like they stop the car, wait for the green signal and also continue for safety, right? Suppose a rational agent can't perform any action. So they ignore the signal and continue the driving. So this thing is dangerous, right? This may cause an accident. That's why rational action and rationality is an important thing. Another example is medical diagnosis AI. See, suppose let's take the situation. Patient has fever, cough and low oxygen level. So, a rational AI medical system suggests some things like they analyze the symptoms, they check medical history, suggest most likely disease and recommended appropriate test, right? So, here AI called as rational because they take the best decision according to their experience, right? So, this thing is called as rationality. Now, what are the good behavior of rational agent? See, Nowadays, all applications are integrated with AI features, right? Or sometimes there are AI email generator application, AI resume analyzer, then AI summarize documents. So these all applications which is integrated with AI are called as rational AI agent, and they perform the action like they choose the best possible path, like in GPS. They use all available information intelligently. They learns from the past data, they learns from the environment observations. They tries to give maximum success, maximum benefits to the user, and achieve all the goals efficiently. So that's why this thing is called as good behavior of rational agent. So good behavior is not all about the luck, but about making the best possible decision. So these are the reasons. That's why a rational agent called as good behavior. Now, there are four main factors which affects the rationality, like performance measure, perceived sequence, prior knowledge, and available action. So let's understand one by one. The first factor is called as performance measure. So they define how success is evaluated. For example, vacuum cleaner. Suppose vacuum cleaner clean all the rooms, they got the positive score. If dirty rooms are there, they got the negative score. So in this way, the AI agent tries to maximize the score. They try to give maximum accuracy, maximum efficiency, and maximum performance towards the user. So this is called as performance measure. The second one is percept sequence, means all the agent perform any operation sequentially in sequence wise. For example, like a vacuum cleaner, uh, first they check room A. If it was dirty, they clean the room. After that, they check room B. If room B was dirty, they clean the room. So there was proper sequence of actions. Got it? So in this way, they use the history, they use past experience and make a better decision. So this is called as percept sequence. Now, the next one is prior knowledge. So here, all the rational agent already having some past experience, training data, and according to that they take the decision. For example, a AI robot. So AI robot knows that wall can't be crossed, charging station is in the left corner, because they train the machine accordingly, right? Battery is low. So this all knowledge helps to choose the better decision. And last one is available action. So agent can only select the action which is capable for performing. For example, robot vacuum cleaner. So they perform the action like clean, move left, move right, and stop in this way, because they train accordingly. But they cannot perform the action fly, because flying is not one of the available action. Got it? So they provide or uh, execute or available actions. Now, there are some applications of rational agent. Like we have already discussed, all AI integrated applications are called as rational agent, like self-driving cars, robot vacuum cleaner, GPS navigation system, medical diagnosis system, then industrial robots, Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, stock market prediction, and fraud detection system. Everywhere, in every sector, every domain, AI concept is used. And these all operations are performed by the rational agent. Now, as per the previous year question papers, they have asked the question like explain rationality and rational agent with example for 6 marks, or explain concept of rationality in AI. How does it relate to intelligent decision making for 6 marks, or write a short note on rationality. So you should prepare this topic completely. So thank you. Stay tuned for my next video. All the best.